How to create meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have downloaded and uploaded the Microsoft Teams application on a device. Make sure you have the updated version of the application over here. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. So just tap on open and it will land us to the Microsoft Teams user interface on our device. Also make sure you have logged into your account. Now, in order to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams, simply what you need to do is tap on any of the schedules option. Now here you can just schedule a meeting over here, so for which you can just add the title. So here I'm going to write report overview over here, and you can add the participants as well. So after adding the participants, you can select which day you would want to schedule the meeting, and then as you select the date, you can just select the preferred date on the calendar as well. You can select the location as well, and in the description you can mention what would be the agenda of the meeting and so on. After that, you can just tap on the check mark at the top right corner of the screen. Now when you do that, the meeting will be set. The event will be created. Now if you want to get the link or create that meeting link for this meeting, what you can simply do is you can just tap on the meeting, or you can just go back and then simply tap on the meeting over here. Now as you tap on the meet, you can see the option of copy meeting link. So just tap on copy meeting link. This will copy the link to your meeting, and then you can send it to your participants or to whoever that need to be on the meeting, and then send it. And that's how you can create your meeting link in Microsoft Teams. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.